name's Bruce. Welcome to the cooking channel. Today we're gonna make taco pizza.
Does that sound like fun?
Yeah. We're gonna have a 275. First we need 2 tubes of crescent roll. Press it out into a cookie sheet. You guys make it like this. And then 1 cup of sour cream. And then cheese. And cheese.
Okay.
Dad's going to help me with this. 1 pound ground turkey. To add taco seasoning. This is taco seasoning. Put sauce on the pizza. That's great cheese. Now we're going to add the cheese. Add the taco meat to the pizza. Next, put the cabbage. Now add some diced tomato. Now we're done. Now we'll eat it. This cooks.
What does it taste like, Bruce?
Bread. Subscribe and don't forget the bell button.